Don't get up now. وس مه پاسه. Don't get up now. Check the blood pressure. د وینې فشار وګوره. Check the blood pressure. یعنی blood pressure وګوره. Don't move your hand. لاس دې مړه قوه. Don't move your hand. Take a deep breath. یو جوور سا واخله. Take a deep breath. Don't hold your breath. سا مه بندوه. Don't hold your breath. Wear a mask. ماسک ولګوه. Wear a mask. Don't remove the mask. ماسک مه لر کوه. Don't remove the mask. Wash your hands properly. لاسونه دې ښه وینځه. Wash your hands properly. Don't touch your face. مخ له دې ګوتې مه وړه. Don't touch your face. Call the nurse. نرس راوغواړه. Call the nurse. Don't disturb the patient. مریض مه تنګوه. Don't disturb the patient. Don't give cold water. یخې اوبه مه ورکوه. Don't give cold water. Check the temperature. درجه حرارت وګوره. Check the temperature. Don't eat sweets. خواږه مه خوره. Don't eat sweets. Take rest at home. کور دمه وکړه. Take rest at home. Don't go outside. بهر مزه. Don't go outside. Go for a checkup. معاینې له لاړ شه. Go for a checkup. How are you doing? څه حال احوال دي. How are you doing? I missed you. ته راته یادېږي. I missed you. Call me later. وروستو راته زنګ ووهه. Call me later. Don't forget me. ما هېروه ما. Don't forget me. Come to my home. زما کور ته راشه. Come to my home. Don't come late. ناوخته مه راځه. Don't come late. Let's go out. ځئ چې بهر ووځو. Let's go out. Don't waste time. وخت مه خرابوه. Don't waste time. Bring your friend. خپل ملګری راوله. Bring your friend. Don't fight with anyone. د چا سره جګړه مه کوه. Don't fight with anyone. Sit with me. ما سره کښېنه. Sit with me. Don't sit idle. وزګار مه کښېنه. Don't sit idle. Tell me the truth. رښتیا راته ووایه. Tell me the truth. Don't tell a lie. دروغ مه وایه. Don't tell a lie. Share your problem. خپله مسله ووایه. Share your problem. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل PE سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو په دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.